If you're coming to Virginia Beach, exit 20 is the number. Hang a right and then keep right off of Virginia Beach Boulevard, and it'll take you to this beautiful spot of a barbecue spot where you can come and get some of the best barbecue in Virginia.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
Beach Boys TV. We're headed out to Dave's BBQ. Dave's BBQ, we're coming for you.
Let's fucking go. 1, 2, 3.
What are you gonna get?
Ribs.
Ribs?
Fuck yeah, I love ribs.
I'm gonna get the spicy chicken.
Ribs is my favorite because I enjoy making ribs. And I enjoy the whole 8-hour process of the way I make my ribs.
I bet you Dave does it even longer. We should ask him when we get there.
I guarantee he probably does. If I had to put a time on it, I'd say he does it at least 12 hours. That he fucking smokes it, dude. Because I
Between
see
8 and 12.
No, well, every time I pass his place, I always see the fucking smoke, and that's how you know it's a good barbecue spot.
I go and fill my gas tank up there, and while I fill my gas tank up, I just...
You just get the whiffs.
Yeah.
You know what?
Free smells, baby. Little sign. That's how you know it's a good spot.
Yep.
Look at that smoking.
I know.
How do I look?
How look, camera? Yeah, no, maybe so. I don't know. Who cares? We're eating barbecue, baby.
Send it.
Great
Made it.
Boulevard.
This is Dave's BBQ.
Or down a little bit toward first
Big
going
Dave
up.
himself, conducting some business.
If you see a wash stand, we're like right next door to that.
I will take a 2-meat platter
Okay, perfect.
with
We need to know, just give us a call.
spicy pulled chicken
We don't need to make it,
and
I'll take some.
What's red?
the brisket.
You are. Okay, what are your 2 sides?
I'll do the cornbread muffins and beans.
Our sides are in the middle. We don't have mashed cheese.
Alright, now check these. Got the spicy chicken and the brisket. Look at that brisket.
Damn, yeah.
Look how thick that is. Look at that.
Brisket. Look how that thing looks so juicy. Look, the juice is pouring out of it. Oh, that ain't no dry brisket, baby. What's that?
Tasty.
Look at that.
Got the corn muffins. Let's try those. Like grandma's home cooking, but better. Grandma can't touch.
Yo, it's ribs?
Grandma, but
Like, I thought I cooked some really good ribs. My grandfather is where I learned everything, but god damn, these are some fucking ribs. I'm sorry, Grandpa P, but these are delicious.
R.I.P.
Alright, for you, dude. Legend.
I'm gonna try this spicy chicken. All those spices. Sometimes I come here, and I won't lie, it's too spicy. Oh, today they got it right though. But when they get it right,
It's on point, baby.
yeah, try some of that. Get in there with the fork. Try that chicken.
Put a little rib down, special chicken.
Try that chicken. Perfect amount of spice.
That's good. It's fire. Give me more.
They got the andouille sausage and their beans.
Gotta have that.
He doesn't play. Now, it's not cheap. If you're looking for cheap barbecue, this probably isn't the place to come, but it's worth every penny.
If you want real barbecue done right, or you don't need any sauces, like, do you see any sauces that we have here? Like, yeah, there's sauces here, but I'm not using them because you don't need them. That's the point of barbecue. It's all about the. I mean, look at the juices. They're just coming out of those ribs. Like, you don't need no extra juice, extra sauce. All you need is a good pit master like Dave, baby. And it'll be.
Dave's also caters. Had a couple private events at my own spot where we've had Dave cater the food. Does a great job with that. Again, pricing's not the best, but the food is fucking amazing. The guests will be talking about it for years to come. Waiting for that next event, hoping that you got Dave's, because it's like that. This stuff is like that. Every time I leave Dave's, I feel so full and satisfied. And I still have so much food. I'm already almost there.
I'm still eating too, but I mean, the one thing I love Dave's. The one thing I need a little bit more of, I need more ribs, Dave. I need more ribs. At least 3 more. At least 3 more, and then.
So from
and
4
then
to
there.
7, Dave. That's 4 there. We need to see 7.
I need 3 more.
At least 6. If you come up 2, we'll meet you in the middle. So you serve it with 6 ribs now. That's a half a rack, right?
I probably should have gotten a whole rack, but for the platter, I need 2. At least 2. At least 2.
3 would be great. Thanks, Dave.
3 would be much appreciated.
I'm stuffed though. Is everything kind of smoked around the same time, or
No,
all the meats are different?
Yeah, it's all different. The butt, like the briskets and the pork, is usually like a 24-hour thing for us.
Nice. Is that all done right here on site for the most part?
Yeah.
Right here? Cool. Very cool. All right. Well, it was delicious.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks for having us.
No problem.